Shenzhen Sisway, New Energy Co., Ltd., founded in 2017, is a dynamic company driven by a team of experienced R&D engineers and sales professionals specializing in the lithium battery industry. The company focuses on the design, production, and sale of high-performance lithium iron phosphate battery packs. These batteries are widely used in various applications, including golf carts, sightseeing vehicles, forklifts, UTVs, ATVs, industrial AGVs, and other low-speed vehicles. Additionally, the company serves the growing residential energy storage market, offering reliable solutions tailored to customer needs. The company adopts precise processes and rigorous quality control measures, starting from cell production to final assembly. Advanced technologies such as battery module integral molding and laser welding ensure durability and reliability. Each battery undergoes meticulous assembly by skilled technicians, with crucial steps including PDU installation for system stability and BMS integration to enhance safety and extend lifespan. Comprehensive testing such as charge and discharge cycles, age-in tests, and appearance checks ensures that each battery delivers exceptional performance and aesthetic quality. Certified by ISO 9001, Sisway has obtained over 100 certifications, including EU CEUN 38.3, MSDS, and US O. At Sisway, the corporate culture, quality, and customer satisfaction, ensuring clients worldwide receive cutting-edge products and excellent service. If you have any idea or concept for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.